Good evening, everybody. Welcome to our concert tonight, City of Victoria. Thank you for having us. We're really excited to be having two awesome rock bands come your way here this evening. We're going to start out with a band that got its name just a couple weeks ago, and maybe they'll share the story with you. We'll see if they're feeling the vibe. But they're awesome. They have 4 songs tonight. They're one of our summer garage bands that have been meeting now for, I think we've had 5 practices. So they've learned 4 songs in 5 hours, so that's pretty impressive for a group of kids that range in age from 8th grade through 10th grade, for the most part, including our sub-guitar player tonight, who's just a little bit older. Yeah, just a little bit. So give it up, everybody, for Fire Alarm! Yeah.
Hello, we are Fire Alarm. We are opening for Questionable Legalities. My father, Mr. Songer, So yeah, we would tell the story of our name. Basically, we do rehearsal at Pioneer Ridge, and during rehearsal, the fire alarm went off just randomly. So we all went outside and just chilled, and then we went back in. And the fire alarm went off again, so we went back outside. A fire truck came, and that was cool. Okay, on drums we have Tegan and Ben. On keys we have Ethan. On bass we have Connor. Subbing on guitar for Hugo we have Charlie. And on singing we have Jay, Miriam, and me, AJ. Our next song is The Winner Takes It All by ABBA. enemy's hand. You've come to shake my hand. I apologize if it makes you feel bad. See me so tense, no self-confidence. But you see, the winner takes it all. Okay, that's okay. Okay, yeah. I'll give you time for that. Okay, we're good. Okay. Through the profane, they were distracted and shut down. So why would you talk to me? Such words are dishonorable and vain. Your promise is solid as the fire. And where was your watchman? The chaos reigns. You who has pushed beyond what's within, there as the ghostly tumble. And where was your watchman? I'll be your keep up all night as you go to heaven. I'll be your warrior again, your voice forward. I'll be your angel come, I'll be yours again. Now, no more smiling mid-crestfall, no more managing unmanageables, no more death in the hailstorm. Now enter your watchwoman.
again. We are Fire Alarm. Up next is Questionable Legalities. Make sure you stick around. They're pretty cool.
Also, give me a second.
Yes.
Hydration break.
Lovely.
Some days you're the only thing I know. Only thing that's burning when the nights grow cold. Can't look away, can't look away. Beg you to stay, yeah. Sometimes you're a stranger in my bed. Don't know if you love me or you want me dead. Push me away, then beg me to stay, yeah. Call me in the morning to apologize. Every little lie gives me butterflies. Something in the way you're looking through my eyes. Don't know if I'm gonna make it out alive.
Fight so dirty, but your love so sweet. Talk so pretty, but your heart got too. Late night devil, put your hands on me. Never, 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 ever let go. Fight so dirty, but your love so sweet. Talk so pretty, but your heart got too. Late night devil, put your hands on me. Never, 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 ever let go.
Sometimes you're the best thing in my life. Sometimes when I look at you, I see my life. Then you turn in somebody I don't know. Then you push me away, yeah.
But your love so sweet. Talk so pretty, but your heart got too. Late night devil, put your hands on me. Never, 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 ever let go. Talk so dirty, but your love so sweet. Talk so pretty, but your heart got too. Late night devil, put your hands on me. Never, 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 ever let go. Thank you so much. We are Fire Alarm. Please stick around for Questionable Legalities. They'll be right up.
Yeah, guys. Tell you what, what are my rehearsals? 4.5.
I texted Taylor when I didn't bring the fan. Whoa.
My back was in the sun the entire time.
Like the best purchase.
Yes. What is that? I got paid for the